Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a reminder in Slack. So basically, if you want to delete a reminder, so let's say I'm gonna type in something for here. What's tomorrow? So if you type in something like that, if you just delete this one, so the reminder will not be completely deleted. It was just a message that has been deleted. So if you want to delete it completely, just click on this, the later button right here. Or if you can't see this right here, you can click on the three dots here and find it right here. But if you're done and you saw it right here, just click on it. And as you can see all of the reminders. And if you want to delete one, let's say this one, just click on more actions. Then as you can see, there is a delete reminder option right here. So just click on that. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.